In this video we will see how to fix Deepseek 500 internal server error on Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing Deepseek AI model error, 500 internal server error, then here are the fixes. And the first work and initial workaround is check server status of your Deepseek AI model. Go to your Google Chrome browser or any other browser and type Deepseek service status and press enter. Open Deepseek service status. First result appeared, and here you will see current Deepseek server status. All system operational. You will find if any error and any disturbance, it will notified here. So check first service status of Deepseek AI model. After that, go to the next fixes. Clear your browser caches. Click on three horizontal dot, vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. From the left side, click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy and security. Click on it. Here under privacy and security, click on delete browsing data. Click on it. And here from the top menu bar, choose advanced tab and make the check against time range should be all time, and make the check against all these three options: browsing history, download history, and cookies and other site data, and click on delete data. It will clear all your browser caches and trying to fix Deepseek 500 internal server error accordingly. After that, check whether your Deepseek internal 500 server error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to three vertical dot against top right corner and hover the cursor on extension. Choose manage extensions, and if you have already added any extension to your Chrome browser, then temporarily disable it. Turn off the toggle button against all the extensions added to your browser and check whether your Deepseek 500 internal server error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. There may be a possibility of network issues, so use Google DNS server address. Right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. All your available network connections will appear here. Go to your network connection and right click on your network connection, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and choose properties. A new window will open. Here the connections uses the following items. Here select internet protocol version TCP IPv4. Select it and choose properties. A new window will open. Here make the check against option, use the following DNS server address, and under preferred DNS server it should be 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844. This is Google DNS server and click on OK. After that, check whether your Deepseek internal server error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixer, run network and internet troubleshoot. Close the windows and right click on a start button and choose settings. And here go to system settings and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters and run network and internet troubleshoot in your system. Follow on screen instruction to complete the network and internet troubleshoot, and accordingly your error should be resolved. That's all.